If you are a student above the age of 12 in India, then IndiGo Airlines allows you to enjoy a 6% discount on the base fare. Alongside, you can also carry 10 kg of extra luggage without any extra charges. Today, I'll take you through the details of the student fare that is offered by IndiGo Airlines in the domestic flights, and also discuss the rules and regulations that you need to abide if you want to enjoy this facility. At the end of this video, I'll also take you through the original site of IndiGo Airlines and show you step by step how this student fare scheme actually works. So be with me till the end of this video to save you hundreds of bucks next time when you book a flight with IndiGo Airlines as a student. But before I start, please subscribe to my channel and write anything that comes to your mind in the comment section below. This actually helps me to grow on YouTube and keep me motivated throughout my journey on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so now let's first talk about the eligibility criteria. So there are a few rules which an Indian student must follow to get a 6% rebate on their base fare and 10 kg of extra luggage allowance. Rule number 1, the student must be 12 years and above of age. Rule number 2, the student passenger must provide a valid student ID while booking the ticket as well as while checking in at the airport. Rule number 3, the booking must have been done at least 7 days before the date of travel. So if a student cannot fulfill any of these 3 criteria, then they will not be allowed to enjoy the student fare scheme by IndiGo Airlines. So make sure that you are eligible before you pack that extra 10 kg of luggage or want a discount of 6% on base fare. Now the next thing we want to discuss in this video is how to avail this benefit. So there are basically 2 benefits under the student scheme by IndiGo Airlines. First is 6% discount on base fare and the second is 10 kg extra luggage allowance. So we will go to both of these facilities one by one. For the 6% discount on the base fare, I'll actually take you through the IndiGo Airlines website where I will show you step by step how to, avail the 6% discount as a student. But I will do that at the end of this video. Let's first talk about the 10 kg of extra luggage allowance and how you can avail that. So a domestic flight passenger is allowed to carry 15 kg of check-in luggage and 7 kg of hand luggage. As a student passenger, you'll be allowed to carry extra 10 kg of check-in luggage. So that makes up a total of 25 kgs of check-in luggage. So this 25 kg of check-in luggage will be allowed for a student passenger if he or she is carrying it in only one piece of suitcase. So make sure all the 25 kg of check-in luggage you are packing in one suitcase and not 2 pieces of luggage. So now let's go to my computer screen and show you that how this 6% of rebate on the base fare actually works. So here are you on my computer screen. You can see that we are at the IndiGo website. Actually, this is what IndiGo has shared with us. So this is step 1 where you go to IndiGo website. If you want the website link, it will be mentioned in the description box below. And you can see that this kind of a window will pop up. You have to first select if it is a one-way or round trip. This offer is valid for both one-way and round-trip flights. So once you select from where to which place you are going to, you have to put the dates. Okay, so make sure that the dates you are putting in is like 7 days after you are booking. Only then you can avail this student benefit. Here it is like 1 passenger Indian rupees, and then you have to select the student. This could be over here or top of the page as well. Then you click on search flights. Step 2, you have to select discounted fare. So as you can see that they are showing you now that the flights available on the date that we have selected. And here you can see that the discounts are already showing up on your screen. Once you continue from here, you will get to add all the passenger details, which is including your student ID. So make sure this thing, what you are putting in your student ID, exactly matches what is written on your student ID. And you also carry the student ID on the day of your travel. And this is how you can avail your student benefit with IndiGo Airlines. Here are a few points which are very important for any student passenger. A student passenger must have a valid ID from their school or college, and they must have a unique identification number on it along with their photograph. And the student must provide that ID card, that valid ID card, while booking their ticket as well as while they are at the airport. At the airport, they will be asked to show their student ID, and if they cannot provide or they cannot show that valid student ID, they will not be allowed to enjoy the student fare by IndiGo Airlines. Now is another fun part, that how can you save even more. So if you go to the IndiGo Airlines website, you can only see that you are allowed as a student to get a 6% discount on the base fare, but you cannot club any other discounts or coupons or anything along with the student fare scheme. But here I will suggest that if you go to third-party apps, you will be able to add some other coupons, or while you check out, you will find so many other discount options that will be given to you. The best recommendation here I'll give is makemytrip.com. This is not sponsored, but this is so far my favorite. So I think that will help you to save another 100 to 300 rupees. So if you are a student, don't forget to use this student fare scheme by IndiGo Airlines and save your money. So this is all for today. I hope this information was helpful, and if you still have any question in your mind, write that in the comment section below. I'll be really happy to answer that. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all, and bye bye.